Morning. Hummingbird. Scared him away. He's pollinating. He's really cool. Bunch him open this morning. If I can zoom that well. But oh, and there's some beans right there. Look at this bean. I'm gonna harvest some cucumbers. This is I'm gonna harvest actually all of them because we're leaving for a few days. This is China jade. There's 3 of them I'm gonna be harvesting. As you can see, they're in these bags for a good reason. Had some rodents attacking my fruit and my vegetables, so I had to bag them up. These are just nets here. This one and this other one. I'm gonna go ahead and cut them. Okay, here they are. I'm gonna bag them and show them a little bit later. Look at these ants, go crazy. I love these beans. Or whatever they get from them. Gotta get them off my hands. Just one bean so far. Amazing, made it through the summer. There's Indian cucumbers. They can get really long. This is one I'm cutting early. And then there's the other one. There was 2 of them on this. Climbing up into this olive tree. There's also, these are sweet potatoes also, so they're kind of mixed in. Look how high they climbed there. Hopefully we'll get some more. Packaged and everything. Protected from the unwanted guests. I never invited them. They came anyway. There's 2 there. Pretty size one here. This one's probably, could have picked it earlier, but I was waiting. I'm gonna take it with us. I had it tied up because it's kind of heavy. I didn't want it to fall. It's the last one. Armenian, kind of an interesting looking Armenian cucumber, but it's pretty big. Nice harvest we got. These are Indian variety. They're similar to Armenian cucumbers. This is a purple Asian bean. China jade. These are juicier. They're nice. And this is Armenian, and it's a different kind of Armenian because this is the second one we've had just like this. It has these lines. It's really interesting looking. I wonder if it crossed with something else. Anyway, nice harvest there today.